Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing Sonos Arc Ultra. So whether it is worth it or it is waste of money, this is what we will be trying to find out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on the official website of Sonos.com, and we already know that Sonos is a very popular brand. Even if I click on the website in order to check the traffic, you can see for yourself that around 6 million people are using the website and purchasing their products. So this particular product, that is Arc Ultra, is in their coming soon list. Over here you can see that it is a premium smart soundbar featuring the breakthrough sound motion technology. Arc Ultra brings your entertainment to life like no other soundbar. So over here you can read all of the information that is mentioned on this page. So whether you should purchase it or not, in order to find it out, we just went to reddit.com, and over here in the comments of this post I was searching for what people are actually saying about it. So as you can see, this person is saying, I think the important question is how likely is my wife to notice that the soundbar is new by looking at it. So basically they are talking about the product in the comment section, and as you can see that more and more people are actually interested in the product. So whether you should purchase it or not, it actually depends when the product will come for sale. When it will no longer be in the coming soon section, only then we can think of whether you should purchase it or not. But since the Sonos brand is quite big, and they are also saying that this product is providing you all of these features, so you can definitely take a look at it. So you can come to Reddit, you can read the comments, what people are actually saying about it, what are their point of views, and then as a rational consumer you can think of purchasing the product. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.